Today's topic is miscellaneous laws. We will study Hilton's law, Wolff's law, law of ossification. According to Hilton's law, the nerves supplying the joint also supply the muscles that regulate the movements of this joint and also the skin that is present over this joint. Wolff's law, also called trajectory theory of Wolff. According to this law, the bone formation or osteogenesis is directly proportional to the stress and strain applied. Law of ossification, also called law of union of epiphysis. The epiphyseal center or secondary center of ossification, which appears first, unites last, and the epiphyseal center, which appears later, unites first. This law is violated by fibula, where the epiphyseal center for the lower end appears first and unites first, and for upper end appears later and unites later.